Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only way to make perfect scrambled eggs. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. For each serving, you'll need about 2 to 3 large eggs. Make sure you have 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These few items are all you need to create a truly delicious and fluffy breakfast. Now let's talk about whisking. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl and add a small splash, about 1 tablespoon, of milk or cream if you like extra richness. Whisk them vigorously for at least 30 seconds. You want to see a slight froth on top, indicating you've incorporated enough air. This step is crucial for achieving that wonderfully light and fluffy texture we all love. Next, we move to the pan. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is shimmering, pour in your whisked eggs. Let them sit undisturbed for about 15 seconds until the edges just begin to set. Then, using a rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Keep gently folding the eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist and creamy. This is key to avoiding dry, rubbery eggs. Remove them from the heat just before they reach your desired doneness, as they will continue to cook slightly. Season with salt and pepper, then serve immediately on warm toast or alongside your favorite breakfast accompaniments. Enjoy your perfect scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.